Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Invideo for beginners. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to use Invideo, it's pretty much easy to use a video maker? So stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Google. You could do this. This is highly advisable to do this on desktop, laptop, Mac, not on your phone, not on your tablet. And go open any browser, Chrome, um, Safari, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, whatever you want to use, and just search for Invideo. That is IN video. So, excuse me. So the first two results is what you want to click on. So the first one is going to be the sponsored ad. Second one is pretty much it's the same thing. So click on this. It'll take you to this website Invideo.io. It says here, create publish-worthy videos on day one. Invideo simplifies video creation with ready-made templates that you can quickly customize, even if you've never done it before. So Invideo is pretty much a video editing service that you can use even if you have zero experience in editing videos. And the good thing about this is you can sign up for free, and I would assume this would be 30 days free trial. And the good thing is no credit card required. So you do not need to put on your credit card information for you to try its free version. So as you can see here, it's kind of like a simplified Premiere Pro interface workspace. It says here it has 7 million customers from almost 200 countries. Number one product of the month as per Product Hunt. It has a 4.8 rating from Capterra. It has a 4.6 rating from Trustpilot. And it says here it's the fastest, easiest way to create pro quality videos. It has 5,000 plus professionally created templates, and you can discover templates for any use case, search by platform, industry, or content type. Customize a template for your brand using simple drag drop replacement actions. Single click shortcuts, remove the background of your product image to make them pop. Add stock media and music, apply your brand's colors and fonts, all with a single click. So things are getting easier and easier. It also has AI tools to boost productivity, generate a script with AI using basic text prompts, or convert your article or blog into a video in minutes using Invideo's AI-powered text-to-video editor. So it has a lot of features, not just video editing, right? All the features you would need all in one workflow. Select a template, upload images and logos, edit and animate. Access 8 million plus stock media from right inside the editor. And it's by iStock, Storyblok, Shutterstock. So they use these assets from these websites apparently. You can also record a voiceover for your video or convert text to speech. Add your team and collaborate on your video. It's kind of like Slack at the same time. Use the full power of video to grow your brand. Set your brand up for social media success. So start a new revenue stream, save time, and optimize your workflow. So it's very efficient. As you can see here, this is the pricing. With a free, it comes with 6,000 plus templates, 3 million plus standard media library, AI script generator, automated text-to-speech, collaborate with team. So for business, for small businesses, educators, and influencers, you're gonna this is the monthly rate. Oh, this is the yearly. So yearly you pay $15 per month. What you get is the watermark on video, 60 HD video exports per month, which is like if you run a YouTube channel, that's pretty much 2 videos a day, right? And a lot of people don't really like. People say, oh, you should publish 1 video a day. No, like people schedule. So maybe some people schedule like maybe through the weekends, right? So only Saturday, Sunday. Some people upload, schedule it for the weekdays from Monday to Friday. Some people upload 3 times or 4 times. So it depends. So 60 exports per month is very nice. 10 stock media per month, iStock media per month. I don't know. Oh, assets from iStock. 1 million plus premium media, 20 plus remove background per month, which is, I guess, that's pretty good. Unlimited for agencies, larger teams, $30 per month. So it's just boosted. So unlimited HD exports, 120 iStock per month, which is more than enough, in my opinion, and 40 background removers per month. So for the monthly, it's doubled. So if you're going for the business plan, it's monthly is $30, and you're going for unlimited from 30 to 60. So that is the pricing, right? And also has a mobile app, which is, you know, pretty nice. It's pretty good. Can we open that? Oh yeah, we can. Pretty good. It says edit on the go, the easiest way to make videos on your phone. So this is pretty nice for people who uses TikTok, who uses Instagram, even Facebook Reels, right? This is a pretty nice app to have. It's available in App Store and Google Play Store, and all the help you need anywhere on the go. Around the clock human support, YouTube and Instagram tutorials. So there's a lot of things here. It also has an Facebook community, which is pretty good. So, so templates, you have templates over here. You have support. So these are the things that it does: online video editor, intro maker, outro maker, slideshow maker, video ad maker, YouTube intro maker, birthday video maker, Instagram video maker, editor, invitation maker. So these are the things that you can do. So like online video maker, let's do that. Yeah, as you can see, this is a very bare bones, simplified version of any editing software that you might have seen. So let's check outro maker. Yeah, as you can see, YouTube outro maker. Yeah, these are oh, this is nice. Yep, that's pretty good. That's pretty nice. Pixelated, retro gaming stuff. You can do this in one app. So that's gotta be pretty nice for most people who are like, they feel like they're stun locked from, oh, I don't know how to use an editing software outside of maybe TikTok or whatnot. But yeah, Invideo is a pretty nice option for anybody who wants to be a content creator or is running a business or is running a brand as an entrepreneur. This is a pretty good website to check out. It's fairly, it seems to be highly rated by people. It's fairly easy to use, and at the same time, it's, in my opinion, very affordable if you have the money for it. Even if you're on a budget, it's fairly affordable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.